Hello everyone, here is Katya and welcome to my Slovo za Slovo word by word channel. We'll start with elementary level A1 and see how you can use the verbs that have the same meaning on different levels, starting from A1 until B2 level. In this first lesson, we focus on one of the most important verbs for everyday life, отдыхать, to rest, to relax. If you want to talk about your hobbies, your weekend, or how you spend your free time, this is the verb you need. We are keeping things simple by focusing on vocabulary, grammar, and context. You will see how this verb is used to describe habits, regular actions, and the general process of relaxing. The verb to take a rest or to have a rest. Imperfective. Глагол отдыхать. НСВ. Привет. Я люблю отдыхать дома. Hi, I like to rest at home. Я отдыхаю сейчас. I'm resting now. Мы часто отдыхаем в парке. We often have rest at the park.